install the SIM card. So how to do this is on the back of the phone over here, you see, there's this cover with a screw. Take a coin, a 10-cent coin, a 1 yen coin, whatever, and undo this screw by turning it counterclockwise this way. Once the screw is undone, we can lift this cover. You see here there's a small gap. Take your nail and simply unclip the back. You may have to do it all around until the cap pops out. This is the battery of the phone. Stick your finger right under it here and lift it out. It will come like this. You can stick it, you can put it on the side. And here we are presented with the 2 slots that are on the phone. Over here on the left side, we have the micro SD card slot. So if you have some videos, some photos, or even some music you like to keep on the phone, this is where your micro SD card goes. But in our case, we want to put the SIM card, and this is its slot over here. Take your SIM card, and you'll notice that they even show you in which direction you should put it, with the cutout corner on the top left side. So here is my SIM card, and you see the cutout corner is on the top left side. You'll need to lift this metal cover like this. Let me show you better. And then put your micro SD card. Okay, whoops. It may be difficult at first because it's so small. All right, it's in place. Now I can close the metal cover over it so it's secured. Next step is to put the battery inside of the phone. You see there's some contacts over here, 3 of them. You need to match them with these 3 contacts of the phone. Press the battery. Take the cover, place it over, and it needs to clip. You should not see the red part at all. Great. And now it's time to put back the screw. So this is it. I hope this setup video was helpful for you. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.